At Cap Management, we increase your property values by taking care of the little things and then planning going forward on the big things. So it's predictive, repeatable, you know what you're into, and it's something that you can afford. That's how we keep dues down. Hi everyone, my name is Chris Krigler. I'm the owner of Cap Management. And it's funny because people often ask me how much should our dues be? But the truth is people often yell at me that their dues are so outrageously expensive, but I want to help you put that into context. You know, the first thing anybody needs to see is the reserve study for their HOA, because that will tell you if your dues are set correctly and then what's coming up in the next near term, 3 to 5 years, but 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And in terms of special assessments or dues increases, it's all right there in the reserve study. So sometimes by doing a lot of work in the reserve study, you can keep your dues low. And it's counterintuitive. You might be thinking, okay, I'm spending all this money on new siding, new roofs, new sewer lines, new asphalt, new concrete. How can you be keeping my dues low? Well, by using project management, one, it's not an emergency or an emergent situation. We're actually planning for this. We have a network of preferred vendors who, because they do so much work with us, we actually get good pricing. And by bidding it out to those vendors, over time as predictable and actionable items, then we can be in control of what your dues are, what your special assessments are or not, and how you're tracking to your reserve study. So if the question is, what should my dues be? The answer is, am I doing predictive maintenance on a regularly scheduled basis, year after year, tackling the big things, doing it right, and doing it over time? Then you're going to be saving money, and in the long run, that's going to keep your dues down.